Hey plant people, Gerard Horticulture is back and we got some gifts. I was talking in my last video that I'm running out of space because I have too much plants. And I was at work today and I was talking to a lady who she had about 3 acres and a horse, a couple horses, and she was growing some strawberries, and I told her I was going to give her some, come back when I have to fix whatever I have to fix in our house and give her a plant. But what I have for you today is Aurora Designs, and I've thought of macrame to hang my plants in windows. So I have some good windows that I can put my plants in to get enough light so they can thrive a little better and they're not so crowded and I won't get any noise from the boss. So this is what I got. Aurora Designs from Amazon, and it is, I think it's a 3-pack, and they kind of bundle them up. They have like a nice tag here, and I'm just going to open it up. It's a little tough, but it's packaged well, and it came with a nice little bag. And that's your macrame there, and I got it for really reasonable. It was, I think, 10 bucks for 3 of these hangers. The size 42-inch legs, and it's a pack of 3. And they come with these nice bags, so I'm going to hang my plants in these macrame, the ones that need like good lighting. So the windows, I want to just judge the windows, and I'll show you where I put everything up. So we're going to be putting the plants up, and I'll be showing them. I also got another one that's a little bit more decorative, and it's from YXMYH. And they even have a thank you letter saying thanks for your order, wish you a happy life. I appreciate that, guy. That's awesome. And this one has some extra yarn. I'm not sure what that's for. And has some type of pattern. I didn't think I got 2, but I got 2. I forgot what I ordered. But this is the second design. I don't know if you can see that pretty well, but that's what these are about. And they have 2 different patterns, and they look awesome. So we're going to definitely post these up, maybe on the wall. I'm not sure where we're going to put it at. And I'll show you where I want to display my new macrame planters for the window. I haven't bought the A-frame ladder that I had on Home Goods yet, but I'm going to, still waiting on that. I'm going to just thin the plants out a little bit. The ones that I want to give away, I'm thinking I'm going to give away the zebra plant because it's flowering pretty well, but I just need, I don't know, it's telling me I need to give it away to somebody. And I think I'm going to also give away a couple cactuses. I'm not going to give away Pedro. Probably going to give away one other plant. And I have a couple other smaller cuttings of a jade plant that I'm going to give away. Or I might keep. So, I don't know. I have a lot of decisions to make. But I'm happy I got these macrames in the mail. Amazon, thank you for doing your job, and Aurora Designs, and what is it called? YXMYH. Thank you. And we'll show you. I'm going to hang them up, and I'll show you what I got going on. So the macrame worked out well, and this is what we got here. Pretty, 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 pretty. Oh my guys, oh my guys. Plants everywhere. So I got the pencil cactus or fire stick cactus there, dumb cane, the pygmy palm or palm, and I got another pencil cactus hybrid with the banana plant and the rest of the crew. Looking stunning. Guys, what do you think? Leave comments in the below. Let me know. And then this is like the end result with the macrame. I had hangers. I got hangers also. I should have got a little bit extended out to get center of the window, but I might be able to put another plant there, another plant there. But these guys are full sun plants, and I like the setup. I still want to plant, you know, the A-frame ladder, but this is what we got so far as consolidating, getting plants off the floor. And this is the euphorbia that I got from the cutting that I had a video on, and I have that in the window and it's looking great. And over here we got another, I forgot what that was, but I'll put the video, the name of it there, but that's the way he looks over there in that window. And I have two more macrame's that I have to figure out where I'm going to put, because I have excellent lighting in certain places of my house, but not all. So we're going to hang a few more. Guys, let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you'd like to see more videos, please give me some suggestions. Tell me what you like about me. Tell me what you like about Gerard's Horticulture culture. I'd like to see what you guys think. And keep growing. And thanks for watching.